today for the Bitcoin price with DaVinci J15. This is literally an emergency video. I am here at the Burj Khalifa over the clouds in the highest building in the world, in the highest floor. And the reason for that is that DaVinci has just been looking at the charts, and according to him, the tides might turn against us. We have a very important update here about the Bitcoin price. You do not want to be missing out on. Watch this video until the very end. I can tell you this one is jam-packed. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you scroll down, you smash up the like button. And with that being said, I want to go straight into the content because this is time sensitive. DaVinci J15, the most important question of today, how are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing great, but you seem to be doing even better. I love that view. I want to be there, man. I want to be there.
It is amazing. But after I heard what you told me before recording the video, I'm a little bit anxious. So yes, I will give a round trip in the end. Wait here until the end. But for now, I really want to know, DaVinci, what is it what you saw in the charts? I heard some maybe bloody changes of events. But let's look at the charts. Let's see what has to happen for this to come true, and let's see what can save us. I'm very, very excited about that. But thank you so much for asking. Overall, I'm doing very well.
Awesome. All right, so well, Bitcoin is definitely not in the pipe 5 by 5. It's looking like well, as you know, right, we were talking before about the 11,100 level being a very important level. If we had to break through that level in order to get into a bullish stance, and we did not. So right now we are checking the bottom here, and I've noticed that we haven't closed any of the dailies with the daily body candles below this body level here, which is the $10,139 level, approximately $23 level. And once we do, I think that would be it. And I'm really thinking, now I'm thinking with the markets not looking so good, and the Fed coming out saying, hey, you know what, we're thinking about raising rates and stuff like that. And I'm like, what are they smoking?
It's crazy. It's crazy. They went all this way the last 10, 11 years, raising the rates to zero, to during the worst times in economic history, raising the rates. I don't get it, man. Like, did they skip their studies or what? Like, I don't get it.
I mean, it's fine. Sure, you know what? They should raise rates, but this is not their normal MO, right? Normally, when the market's weak, they lower rates, right? And so
you are right, DaVinci. I mean, usually this is Keynesian theory. In Keynesian theory, during bust times, you should decrease the rates. And the problem was not what they are doing right now. Going down with the rates is completely in alignment with the theory. They should have, during the boom times, during the economy was flourishing, they should have raised the rates and contract the supply. But this is not what they did. And now they are in this horrible scenario. So I completely agree with you. I mean, I don't get it. It's just not the right time for that.
Exactly. Well, I mean, if they want to keep the stock market up, I mean, really, the stock market should collapse, and the stock market and and businesses should go out of business. That's what they should let happen, and that's not a popular thing for government to have happen. But it's the right thing, and yeah, so they're not going to let it happen. So really, I really think that we're gonna break down here, because I was talking about in today's video that, hey, I noticed that we did not break this elusive czar, and now we're bumping up, going back up, and we've actually bounced off of this this level here, which is the $10,437 level. This is not good. Let's just take a look at the 4 hours, see what's going on here. Just see here. Yeah, and so, yeah, I think the 4 hours got a little bit more room to go higher. I don't see it going lower at this point in time. It is a divergence here, so we will get some sort of bounce, maybe up to the 200 period moving average 4 hour. But after that, assuming we do not break above the 11,100 level. So we have to close above that to negate this particular scenario, is that we're going to head to the 11,300 level here. So let's just see. Let me just clone this.
And guys, by the way, now that I'm already here, we are always saying to the moon. Well, I am as close to the moon as you can get. This is the highest building in the highest floor, as I already said. Look at the sunset here. But we don't only have the sunset, we also have the moon over here. So leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, having the sun and the moon in the same place. And now let's get back into the content. Just very quickly, you mentioned the 10,500. You still think a bounce towards the 10,900 US dollar level is possible, but as long as we are not breaking the 11,100 level, you would remain bearish here. Once we break the 11,100 level, you could flip your bias, but right now you think we are heading lower towards the target here of the AB equals CD, which should be among the 9,600 levels?
Well, maybe. That's all depends on where Bitcoin bounces, because we're due for a bounce here, right? The 4 hour says, okay, it's really tired. It wants to go a little bit higher. So let's just assume that it goes to the 61.8. Yeah, that's most likely where it comes back up to. And you can see, yeah, that's 9,600 some odd levels. But we could always go as low as the $9,250 level as well. Yeah. So that's what I'm thinking we're going to roll over to, because I don't see enough juice for this to turn around. So I'm looking to see if this once this 4 hour divergence is cleared up, I'm looking for some shorts up here to see if we can take it all the way down to the 9,600 level, unfortunately.
I mentioned something previously in the video earlier. By the way, guys, I will leave it in the first line of the pinned comment. I made a video just a few hours ago where I was talking about the importance of the weekly close. You all know that the 21-week EMA, Da Vinci just mentioned it here previously, is very, very important to hold. So, Da Vinci, would you agree with me that we, in case we are closing and maybe even getting a bounce, the weekly above the 21-week EMA, would you consider this maybe as a bullish confirmation, because we had this double dip down to this line, which we didn't break throughout the whole year of 2017? Also, quickly before you're answering the question, everyone, please, if you appreciate this urgent video here, I am here at the Burj Khalifa, still making this video for you. All I'm requesting actually is just scroll down, leave a little like on that video, leave your thoughts in the comment section, make noise for the algorithm, and then we know, well, we should do more of these emergency videos for you guys. I would really appreciate that. And now for you guys, Da Vinci, what would you say on the weekly? Would you agree that it is important to hold this level, and what do you expect?
Yeah, it would be nice for us to hold this level. You can see on this blue line here, we have to hold that level this week. So let's just say we do take the dip down to the 9,600 level today or tomorrow, that we come back up here and above this level here, which is the 10,100, and we close the week out above the 10,100 level. That would make me happy. I'd be more than happy with that. I would say that we would be still in the bullish stance, but I'm going to have to change my mind if we close the week out below here, below this 21 weekly moving average.
Yeah. Well, I think we all agree on this point. Everyone, we should govern the price here also on the weekly and on the short term. Well, it might be interesting to see if we are going down and filling this price level. Remember, everyone, even if we are wicking down to 9.2K, this might be only the daily candle, the 4 hourly. If we are only wicking down, getting a strong bounce, and then closing above the 21-week EMA, we can still be bullish. We can still remain bullish as long as the weekly close is in place. So let's just wait and see how it goes. Thank you, Da Vinci, for this update. And yeah, just let me know also, because some people are panicking. Previously in our video, a few hours ago in my solo video, I was showing the fear and greed index, and the people are overwhelmingly bearish, overwhelmingly fearful. And I can see that in our community as well if I'm going into our Telegram group, by the way, free link in the description down below. The people are a little bit bearish. Many people are selling their bags. What is your stance right now on the weekly, on the monthly, maybe even on the yearly candles? Are you still remaining bullish for the remainder of 2020 and 2021?
Yes, I'm definitely bullish on Bitcoin for the rest of the year. I think we're going to probably close the year out well above the $14,000 level, in my opinion. And I think that the altcoins are going to bleed out a lot more than we think. I see that winter is here for the altcoins. I've said that a couple weeks back. Winter's coming, and now it's here for the altcoins. And you know what? It's just started winter.
It's crazy. You called it by the month, man. You called the start, you called the end, man. Congrats to you. Amazing.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
I mean, who knows? Who knows if it's the end? Let's wait and see. I'm still holding an altcoin back. I'm still holding DeFi projects. So, but that's the reason why I actually entered with 10% only, because I'm expecting the winter to come anytime, and I know that by holding Bitcoin, I'm holding value. So I don't want to speculate too much. I know it's the same for you. So everyone, let me know down below still if you are interested in some altcoin reviews. You can leave them in the comment section. Upvote each other's altcoins, and yeah, we might pick them up in future videos. But thank you so much, Da Vinci, for this emergency update. Let's see if the tides will turn against us. So far, it is not looking all too good in the immediate short term, but we have these price levels. If we are surpassing them, we can flip bullish again, and this is the 11.1. So thank you so much for that, Da Vinci. Do you have any important updates maybe to share before we are wrapping it up for today? You know,
no,
I'm walking around so they see the view while you are talking.
No problem, no problem. So just I'm working hard on my channel, right? I have I have Chris who's working with the editing. He's editing videos and he's uploading on my backup channel. I'm going to provide you with a link for my backup channel. Please subscribe to that, just in case I get taken out by YouTube. I have that other backup channel, and also check out my live stream videos. I'm also going to be doing evergreen video. Just a general video for the people who are new to the space. Every once in a while, I'm going to be doing those as well, and Chris is going to be editing those videos. So please like and subscribe to both my regular Da Vinci J15 channel and my Da Vinci Jeremy channel, which is my backup channel as well.
Yes, I will leave these links also down below. You find the link to the previous video from earlier today. Make sure you watch it, and also make sure that you go over to Da Vinci's channel. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? The link is down below. You should click the bell not to miss out on his daily videos. They are amazing, certainly, because we have only like 2 videos here per week on our channel with Da Vinci, and sometimes an emergency video as well. So thank you so much for that. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for smashing up the like button, leaving your thoughts in the comment section, making noise for the algorithm. And Da Vinci, I want to ask you, before we are wrapping it up for today, do you have anything else to share?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, click the subscription box right here and click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up somewhere here on the screen. And as always, guys, bye-bye.